There are two things that we need to keep in mind before we take up numericals. The first being, commutative law is not true in case of matrix multiplication. It is true when it comes to matrix addition but not multiplication. So what I mean is this. See, there are two different cases when the order are not the same. So if I have A and B with different order, so this too we can see that we have the inner matrix, inner dimension to be the same. So this multiplication is allowed. Why it comes to flipping this around? Okay, same case extended. If I flip this around, so that is B comes first and A comes later. Can we do this multiplication? We can't do this multiplication. This multiplication is not allowed. Okay. Now, say we have the order to be same, right? This though we know, but I want to take a case wherein the order is not a matter. So we have the order to be same. So the question is the result going to be same? Let's take up an example and have a look. So that's our matrices, and that's our result. Now we are going to flip it, as you can see, which we have, and let's look at the result. So check element by element. Clearly they are not the same, right? Of course, we have scenarios wherein we can make them to be same. That is not an impossibility. That too is possible. But you guys have to know that in general, it's not commutative. It is commutative in addition. This difference, all of this difference, it will come as MCQ question. So please keep this in mind. And also this. These are all the tricky questions because this will not keep popping up here and there. So that's why I have a separate note on this. Now, zero matrix is a product of two non-zero matrices. That is, we can multiply two matrices which are not zero. So zero matrix is all of them are zero, right? We make use of it over here when we are creating, right? When we are creating this particular program. So these are zeros. All the numbers are zeros over there. Now, what we are trying to show is if we multiply two non-zero matrices, it need not result in a non-zero matrix again, but it can result in a zero matrix. As you can see, the calculation, and all of this put together is 0. Okay. Now, I would like to show you guys one more. Let me do this. See, I have taken up the code wherein we are flipping things around, right? Not flipping, rotating. I'm changing the order in which we are multiplying. So let's see what happens. We got an error. Can you see that? Shapes are different, not allowed. Okay. So that's an example. Yeah, keep this in mind. So you can always try things over here to make your concept clear and remember it for a longer time.